Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at an ultra-premium business laptop that blends power, elegance, and next-gen features into one incredibly sleek package, the MSI Prestige 13AI Plus Evo. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Personal computer emoji, design and build quality. Right out of the box, the MSI Prestige 13AI Plus Evo looks and feels like a luxury device. It's crafted with a magnesium aluminum alloy chassis that keeps it incredibly lightweight, just under 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, making it one of the most portable laptops in its class. The build is solid, the finish is premium, and the ultra-slim profile makes it perfect for professionals who travel or commute often. Rainbow emoji, display, 2.8K OLED brilliance. The 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED display is absolutely breathtaking. With ultra-deep blacks, vibrant colors, and crisp detail, it's ideal for content creators, editors, and even casual Netflix bingers. The OLED panel also reduces blue light and offers fantastic viewing angles, a major win for your eyes during long work sessions. Gear emoji, performance, powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 Plus Arc graphics. This machine is fueled by Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 to 258-volt CPU, paired with Intel Arc integrated graphics. It handles multitasking, AI workloads, 4K video editing, and even light gaming with ease. Backed by 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a blazing fast 2 TB of SSD, you're getting instant responsiveness and ample storage for heavy-duty projects. Electric plug emoji, ports and connectivity. Despite its slim design, MSI includes all the essentials. 2x Thunderbolt 4 ports. 1x USB-A. HDMI. microSD slot. And here's the future-proof cherry on top, Wi-Fi 7 support for ultra-fast, stable wireless performance wherever you go. Battery emoji, battery life. MSI claims all-day battery life, and it delivers. You can easily get 10 to 12 hours of real-world usage on a single charge, making it a true productivity companion for on-the-go professionals. Lock emoji, AI-powered security and features. Thanks to the built-in AI engine, the Prestige 13 optimizes performance based on your usage. Plus, you get smart features like presence detection, secure login with Windows Hello, and intelligent noise cancellation for meetings. White check mark emoji, final verdict. If you're looking for a premium business laptop that's stylish, smart, and future-ready, the MSI Prestige 13AI Plus Evo ticks all the boxes. The gorgeous OLED display, next-gen Intel AI performance, generous RAM and storage, and ultralight form factor make it a powerhouse for professionals who demand the best. Thumbs up emoji, like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Package emoji, check out the best deal for this laptop in the link below before it's gone.